Hello grade 5, we're continuing with metric system and meter units, and this is part number 2. So let's review the following. How do we arrange the chart? First of all, we're starting with kilometer, then hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter. Now remember, as we are going to the right in the table, we are multiplying by 10, 100,000 and so on. And as we are moving to the left through this table, we are dividing by 10, 100,000 and so on. Let's begin. So this is the table. The question is 649.2 meters equals how much in hectometers? So where are we on this table? In meters. Where are we going? To hectometers. So put a smiling face in the meters. Then start counting. 1, 2. What did we say we mean by 2? 2 means 2 zeros. 2 zeros mean 100. Now we are moving backwards. So this means we are going to the left. This means what are we doing? We are dividing. So we're going to divide today by 10, 100, or 1,000 and so on. Now we're going to divide by 100. So 649.2 divided by 100. This means we're moving the decimal point backwards to the back. How many places? We are going to move. We're going to move the decimal point 2 places because we have 2 zeros. To the back because we are dividing. So we're going to move the decimal point 2 places back because we are dividing by 100. So 1 place, 2 places, so the number is going to become 6.492 hectometers. More examples. So this is the table, and the question is 735.2 decimeters. We're going to hectometers. So where are we? We are in decimeters. Where are we going? We're going to hectometers. So put a smiling face in decimeters, and let's start counting places. 1 for the meters, 2 and 3. So we are moving backwards. It means what are we doing? We are dividing. So dividing by what? We said 3 means 3 zeros, and 3 zeros mean 1,000. So this is the question. We're going to divide by 1,000. So we have over here 3 zeros. It means we're going to move the decimal point 3 places. Since it's division, we're going to move backwards. So 3 zeros 3 places. Division means we're moving the decimal point backwards. So 1 place, 2 places, 3 places, and the number is going to become 0.7352. So shall we keep the number like that? Shall we keep the decimal point like that alone? No. What are we going to put? We're going to put a 0. So remember that you should always put over here a 0. More examples. This is the table, and this is the question. So we have 39.5 centimeters. We're going to meters. Where are we? In centimeters. Where are we going? To meters. So let's put a smiling face in the centimeters and start counting. 1, 2. So how are we moving in this table? We're moving backwards. It means what are we going to do? We're going to divide. Divide by what? So we said 2 means 2 zeros. 2 zeros mean 100. So we're going to divide by 100. Again, since we have 2 zeros over here, it means I have to move the decimal point 2 places. 2 places to the back. Why? Because we have division. So this is 1 place, this is 2 places. So the answer is 0.395 meters. Shall we keep this answer like that? Shall we keep the decimal point like that? No. What are we going to do? We're going to put a 0. More examples. And this is again the table. This is the question. 76 millimeters equals to how much in centimeters? Where are we on the table? In millimeters. Where are we going? To centimeters. So put a smiling face in the millimeters. We're going to centimeters. That's 1 place. 1 place to the back. It means what are we doing? We are dividing. We should be dividing by which number? We should be dividing by 10. Why? Because this one in the table means we have a 10. 1 means 1 0. It means we're having a 10. We're supposed to divide by 10. So this is 76 divided by 10. But where is the decimal? Can you see the decimal point? Where is the decimal point that we have to move? Okay, the decimal point, it's over here, but we cannot see it. Okay, now let's start moving the decimal point 1 place to the back. Why 1 place? Because we have 1 0. Why to the back? Because it is division. So the answer is going to be 7.6 centimeters. Again, more example, and this is the table. So the question is 9 meters equals to how much in kilometers? Where are we standing in this table? In meters. Where are we going? To kilometers. So let's put a smiling face in the meters and let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. So we're moving to the back. It means we are dividing by what? By 1000. Why? Because we said that 3 means 3 zeros, and 3 zeros we mean by it 1000. Okay, so let's continue. So over here we're going to write 9 divided by 1000. But where is the decimal point? Can we see the decimal point? The decimal point is over here, but we cannot see it. So over here 1000 has 3 zeros, so I need to move this decimal 3 places. Since it is division, I need to move it backwards to the left. To the left I need to move it 3 places. Let's start moving the decimal point. 1 place, 2 places, 3 places. Now look over here, what do we have? We have 2 empty spaces. What are we supposed to fill these empty spaces? We're supposed to fill them with zeros. So these are the 2 zeros. These are the 2 zeros that we filled. These are the zeros concerning these 2 empty spaces. Now over here the decimal point, shall we keep the number like that with no zero? No, you're supposed to put over here a 0. Another example, and this is the table, and the question is 3 millimeters equals to how much in decimeters? So where are we standing in the table? In millimeters. Where are we moving to? Decimeters. So that would be a smiling face in millimeters. Let's start counting. 1, 2. 2 means what? 2 means 2 zeros. Now we're moving backwards in the table. It means what do we have to do? We have to divide by how much? By 100. So we said we have to divide by 100. Why? Because we reached the number 2. 2 means 2 zeros. 2 zeros mean we have a 100. Now 3 divided by 100. Where is the decimal point in the 3? Where is the decimal point? The decimal point is over here, but we cannot see it. So here is the decimal point. How many places do we have to move it? We have to move it 2 places. Okay, why? Because we have 2 zeros. Okay, where are we supposed to move it? 2 places to the left. Why to the left? Because we have division. So let's start moving the decimal point. That's 1 place, 2 places. This place is empty. What should we fill it with? We should be filling it with a 0. So here is the 0 that is for this empty space. So shall we keep the number like that, 0.03? No, we're supposed to put a 0. Ramadan Kareem. Enjoy Ramadan and stay safe and bye bye.